Okay, we have the result right here. I've taken some measurements. I'm now going to open it up in Fusion 360 and get some measurements from this. First of all, I need to know how big these holes are supposed to be. 1.88, and they aren't making 1.88. They're making 1.75. 1.75 passes through. So I'm going to need to enlarge them a little bit. 1.88 is supposed to be the diameter. Um, yep, 1.88. And it's supposed to be 1.90 across. Suppose I ought to bring the mic up here. So they're drawn out as they're called out as 1.88, as you can see right here. Yeah, okay. And I am not able to get a 1.88. I can get a 175 in, I can get a 176 in, but not a 1.77 or 1.78. And actually, it's quite a bit. That's 1.88. Well, that's called out in inches. Shit. Well, that sucks. I'll have to call the designer up and see what the tolerances were on these. When I asked him about tolerances, he said there wasn't any, but I'm sure that these holes are meant for something. So actually, I'm going to go ahead and this was printed in this was printed in PETG, and I want to do a PC blend for him. So let's print it out in PC blend, and I believe it was 1.661. Initialization failed. Okay, now let's go to status. And yep, okay, that's the right one. That's the PC. So we'll go over to prepare, and I'm going to, not real sure where. I'm only using one. Let's hit a refresh. Okay, there we go. Yep, PC. And let's go on over here to first layer, other layers 280. I think that they said 270 was recommended. So I'm going to come up here and change this to 270. And minimum of 260. And we're going to run this to 270. And PC 175. What's it calling for the plate? 110 degrees. I think that's what I also found when I Googled PC blend here. Prusa PC blend temps 275 plus or minus 10. So that other would have been fine. And 110 plus or minus 10. So we'll set it at 275 and 110. All the same layers. Yep, okay. Hot plate's okay. I don't know. No cooling for the first three layers, and then minimal of that. We're going to give this a try. I haven't printed a PC through this printer yet, so we'll kick on advanced here. That all looks good. Back over to filament. Generic. Yeah, we'll leave it generic. Okay. So let's see how it does. We're going to make sure I've got the correct device. Yep, 661. And go back to prepare. That looks okay. Let's go back to preview. It shouldn't even let me worry about that. So we're talking about 40 minutes on this guy. Yeah, let's give it a print and see how it does. And once I'm done with this, I will recheck the holes because the material might make a difference. As you can see, I don't have an AMS to select from, and that's the one that holds 4 filaments. That's because I've disconnected that and gone with just the one and hung it on the back. But I am going to let her do the bed leveling, the flow dynamics, especially since I haven't gone ahead and run PC through this yet before. And we'll do the time lapse so we can show that back later. So let's send her on. All right. And there we go. We'll have a live view of it going on. You can see the plate move up. Sorry about the slurping there. That coffee tasted good. Starting to get cold, so I need to put another one in. Here again, this is what printed off. And you guys really can't see it, but it's got a beautiful finish on it. Everything come out real good. So, while we're at it, let me go back and see. Open up Fusion 360 again if I didn't close it. Here we go. Fusion 360. And sometimes measure there. Use my little dealie here. Spin it around and measure it to this part. Okay, so that is showing a distance of 2.5. And I don't think, turn this over to inches. And that's pretty close, 2.49. So it's a tenth. It's a tenth off of being a quarter of an inch, and I think that that's going to be good. So cool. All right, let's drop this back down. Go back over here. That's pretty much going to be it. All right, I'll stop this and upload it.